Good afternoon to our lecturer, Madam Ross, and my fellow friends. As we can see on the screen, we are going to discuss a topic about integration. My name is Marilyn Pius. I'm from DKA2B and my metric card is 07DKA22F 2016.
Hi, my name is Mary Beverly Roni Pidor and my metric number is 07DKA22F 2024.
My name is Cecilia Napili and my metric card is 07DKA22F 2006.
Hi, my name is Siviana and my matrix number is 07DKA21F 2053.
In our presentation, we explain what is integration, application of integration use, explanation and solution for question 5, conclusion, and reinforcement question. So without wasting our time, let's move on to the next slide about what is integration.
What is integration? The integral is calculated to find the functions which will describe the area, displacement, volume that occur due to a collection of small data which cannot be measured singularly. It can be used to find areas under the curves and volumes of solids. There are also two types, which is indefinite and defined integrals. Application of integrations in real life. Integrals are utilized in a variety of sectors in real life, including engineering where engineers use integrals to determine the geometry of a building. It's used to describe the center of gravity, among other things in physics. In the field of graphical presentation, 3D models are displayed.
Two types of integration, which is indefinite integral without the upper limit and lower limit. Second is definite, which is integral with the upper and lower limit. There are three methods to find the volume, which is firstly is this method. When the axis of rotation is the x-axis and the top of the plane area is given by the curve y, fx between x, A, and x is B, then the volume is given by, this is the formula for this method. Next is Washer method. If the axis of rotation is the x-axis, the upper boundary of the plane is given by y(fx), the lower boundary by y(gx), and the region runs from x(A) to x(B). Then the volume is given by, this is the formula for Washer method. And the last one is cylindrical or shell method. If the axis of rotation is the y-axis and the plane area in the first quadrant is bounded below by the x-axis above y, this is fx from x(A) to x(B), then the volume is given. And this is the formula. Question 5 is diagram below shows a region which is enclosed by a curve y x squared plus 1 and a line y is x plus 7 that is rotated through 360 degree on the x-axis. Show the solution to find the volume of the solid form.
Today I'm going to explain how to solve the volume of the solid form in this question 5. So here the solution. The formula for this question is V equals to pi integral pi b integral a fx power of 2 minus 2 gx power of 2 dx. Okay, before we go through the formula, uh, as we see at this diagram, make the negative 2 as a and 3 as b. For fx, substitute it y equals to x plus 7 and gx y equals to x power 2 plus 1. So you will get the value like this, substitute the value that has been given in the diagram in the formula. Next step, expand the value in this bracket, so you will get value, so we'll get them like this. And after that, calculate the in this bracket, and you'll get the answer like this. Next step, calculate the value in this bracket, and you will get the answer like this: x power of 2 plus 14x plus 49 minus 2 x power of 4 plus 2 x power of 2 plus 1 dx. Okay, before we go through, we see at the integral here, change this integral into a big bracket, and the value of 3 and negative 2, put it outside of bracket. Before we substitute this value into the x, make sure the value in this bracket have been integrated. So we get the x power of 3 over 3 plus 14x power of 2 over 2 plus 49x minus 2x power of 5 over 5 plus 2x power of 3 over 3 plus x. Next step, substitute the value of 3 and negative 2 into x. So we get them like this. After you substitute them, calculate the calculate the value in the bracket, and you will get the next step like this. After that, calculate the value in this bracket, and you will get the answer like this: 747 minus over 5 minus negative 884 over 15. For the last step, you will get the for the last step, calculate them, and you will get the final answer, which is pi 625 over 3. Or you will get or you can calculate them in point. So it will be like this: 654.498 unit power of 3.
In conclusion, we did learn that integrals is divided into two parts, which are indefined integral and defined integral. And by using the basic formula in integration, we can determine the integrals, and graph area is along x-axis or y-axis. The volume of a region generated through 360 degree about the x-axis or y-axis. As the volume of the solid revolution is a three-dimensional object obtained by rotating a function in the plane about a line in the plane, this solid be calculated by means of integration.